Hi everyone, it's me, Mrs. Leslie. Thank you for joining me. In this video, we are going to read the story of the week. We are on Unit 1, Week 1, and our story is going to be read from our Wonders Reading Writing Workshop. If you don't have this book, Wonders Reading Writing Workshop, pause the video, go get your book, and press play when you're ready to move on. We are going to open our book, pass all the contents pages. It's going to be the first story that we're going to come across in our book. Right before the story, you have these pages called Words to Know. Sometimes we call them sight words. Sometimes we call them high-frequency words. If you would like, practice these words and sentences so that when you read the story, it's a little bit easier since you'll know your sight words. On the next page, you have something called phonics fluency, and on these two pages, you will practice short A words, words that have the A sound, because in our story, they're going to have lots of words that have the A sound. So if you would like to be a better fluent reader, practice the phonics fluency pages as well. Turn the page again, and here's our story. Our genre is realistic fiction. Realistic fiction means that this story is for pretend, but it's about things that could really happen. Fiction means fantasy, pretend. Realistic means even though this story is for pretend, it kind of could really happen in real life. Realistic fiction. Our essential question for the week is, what do you do at your school? And then here's a little sneak peek about what our story, Jack Can, is going to be about. It says, read about what friends can do at school. Let's get started on our story. When you are reading, make sure you are using your writing hand to track your words. Use your writing hand as a pointing finger and track your words. Let's get started. Remember, if you don't have your book, press pause, go get your book, and track your words and read along with me. Jack can. Turn the page. I'm going to fix my book so they're on. You can see both pages. Max can. Just drawing a picture, huh? You can draw a picture. Max can. Can Jack? Jack can. Yep. You can paint a picture too. Turn the page. Max can. Can Jack? Did you hear me raise my voice just a tad? That's because I see a question mark. Can is a question word. And whenever you see a question mark, you raise your voice just a little bit so that you know, so that the listener knows you're asking a question. Here's Max. He's writing on the sign. Jack cannot. It's too short, huh? Can't write on top. Maybe if he gets a stool, he can solve his problem, or a chair. I'm going to fix my book so we can see both pages. Jack is sad. Poor fella. What does Nan do? She is a very kind friend. She's going to help Jack solve his problem with a stool. Nan helps Jack! Do you see that exclamation mark? I had to use my shouting voice. She's really excited. Yay! Jack likes school. and thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Lots of things Jack can do at school and his friends.